In a digital age where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, a new wave of entrepreneurs is emerging, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to create lucrative businesses. One such venture that has been gaining traction is the sale of digital products, specifically watercolor clip art graphics. These are pre-made illustrations designed to enhance visual content, often coming in the form of PNG images with transparent backgrounds. A deep dive into the digital marketplace reveals a surprising trend. While there's a high demand for watercolor clip art graphics, competition remains relatively low. Perhaps the reason lies in the perceived need for design skills to craft these graphics. However, with the advent of AI, even those without a design background can tap into this goldmine. One particular store stands out, having raked in over $600,000 by specializing in clip art graphics across various niches and styles. The sheer volume of reviews indicates a thriving business. But how does one ascertain the exact figures behind such success? Tools like Allura provide insights into a store's performance. For instance, one store was found to generate approximately $9,000 monthly, with a cumulative revenue surpassing $600,000. Individual listings, such as simple flower illustrations, can bring in $300 a month, accumulating to over $11,000 in total revenue. Another store, also specializing in clip art graphics, boasts monthly earnings of $3,000, with a total revenue exceeding $100,000. The numbers speak for themselves. There's a burgeoning demand for these products, and with the right strategy, there's ample room to carve out a niche and thrive. The advantage of leveraging AI in this venture cannot be overstated. With AI, entrepreneurs can churn out more listings in a fraction of the time, accelerating the sales process. Moreover, AI tools like Midjourney, when set to the right version, can be instrumental in generating these graphics. For instance, to create a product akin to a